Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Nowhere Man on guitar. First, let's get familiar with the basic chords. You'll need G, C, D, and E minor. These are open chords, making them quite accessible for beginners. Focus on clean transitions between each one. A good tip is to practice slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This foundation is crucial for the rest of the song. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern. For Nowhere Man, a simple down-down-up-up-down pattern works perfectly. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm as you switch between chords. Don't rush it. Let the natural flow guide your hand. A lighter strumming hand often produces a more melodic and less aggressive sound, fitting the song's feel. Practice this until it feels natural. Next, we'll put the chords and strumming together for the verse and chorus. The verse typically follows a G, C, D, G progression. The chorus introduces a slight variation, often moving to E minor before returning to G. Listen closely to the original song to internalize these changes. Practice playing through each section repeatedly until the transitions feel seamless and natural. Finally, let's put everything together and play the full song. Start slowly, focusing on those smooth chord changes and maintaining your strumming rhythm. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. With a little practice, you'll be playing Nowhere Man with confidence. Enjoy the satisfaction of mastering this iconic Beatles track on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.